4 divided by 1/4 times 4. I guarantee you're about to get this wrong. Go ahead, try it. Here's what most people do. They see 4 divided by 1/4 and think that's just 1. Then 1 times 4 is 4. Final answer, 4. Completely wrong. Here's what you forgot. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its flip. 4 divided by 1/4 means 4 times 4, that's 16. Then 16 times 4 is 64. The answer is 64, not 4, not 16. 64. This destroys people because they treat 1/4 like it's just the number 1. But 1/4 is a quarter. When you divide by a quarter, you're asking how many quarters fit into 4. That's 16 quarters. Then times 4 more? 64. Fractions in division are the ultimate trap. If this blew your mind, leave a like. Subscribe for more problems that make you question everything you learned in school.